Hello everyone. I'm pleased to guide you through this session on refining your compensation analysis model for salary transparency in 2026. At Arago, we're committed to helping you prepare for the new directive with practical, effective solutions.
To support you, we've partnered with Optima HR, a French startup specializing in innovative payroll management and simulation tools. Their expertise in technology help HR professionals and organizations of all sizes manage workforce and payroll challenges with simplicity and reliability. With Optima HR's platform, you can explore your workforce data in depth, costs, metrics, absences, and benchmarks. Control payroll expenses and workforce planning in real time. Optimize your budget by simulating scenarios and using advanced forecasting tools. This gives you a clear, actionable view of your compensation landscape. Together, we offer a salary transparency solution that enables you to generate all required legal indicators for compliance, test and validate objective criteria for pay decisions, measure and highlight any unjustified pay gaps, identify risk zones within your organization, value and plan corrective actions. Our combined approach uses advanced analytics to detect patterns and anomalies so you can explain compensation gaps with confidence and clarity.
Here is an overview of the Optima HR solution. For more details, please do not hesitate to contact our experts. We'll now walk through the essentials of analyzing and addressing pay gaps to meet salary transparency requirements. Legal indicators. We start by generating the 7 legal indicators, such as average and median pay gaps between men and women and differences in variable compensation. Each indicator comes with a ready-to-use interpretation, making it easy to communicate results clearly and avoid misinterpretation. This is crucial, as these figures may need to be published and must be understandable to everyone. Categories of workers. A key step is defining clear categories of workers. These should be based on objective criteria, like required skills, responsibilities, and working conditions. The goal is to create groups that are meaningful for analysis and large enough to respect privacy rules. Sometimes these categories may need to be negotiated with social partners. Objective criteria and modeling. We use statistical models to explain pay differences. The aim is to justify at least 95% of any observed pay gap using objective factors, such as seniority, education, or job level. If a gap remains unexplained, it signals a potential compliance issue. The tool lets you test different criteria and see how well they explain your pay data, performance, skills, and other factors. Performance evaluations and rare skills can explain some pay differences, but these criteria must be clearly defined and documented. It's important to ensure that performance ratings and skill assessments are objective and traceable. The same goes for evaluating potential. Subjective impressions aren't enough. Recruitment and salary reviews. Initial salary negotiations and discretionary pay increases can create lasting pay gaps. That's why it's essential to standardize recruitment practices and salary review processes, moving away from ad hoc decisions and spreadsheets. This solution helps you identify where these gaps originate and how to address them. Data integration. The tool connects to various HR and payroll systems to gather all relevant data, ensuring a complete and accurate analysis. This integration is key for a reliable organization-wide view. Testing, outliers, and action plans. You can test different models, identify employees with significant pay gaps, and document the reasons behind them. The tool helps estimate the budget needed to correct unjustified gaps and prioritize actions for maximum impact. It's not about making everyone's pay the same, but about ensuring that differences are fair and justified. Continuous improvement. Finally, this is an ongoing process. Analyze, explain, act, and refine. The goal is not just compliance, but building a fairer and more transparent pay structure for everyone.
Thank you for joining us today. For more resources on pay transparency, feel free to access our articles, contact the Arago team, or make an appointment. With the right tools and support, you'll be ready for the new requirements and a fairer, more transparent pay policy.